Welcome to Saraswat International Academy, Ratavapi, Standard 5th, English Medium, Subject Computer. Myself Simit Bausar. I am a computer teacher. Now I will teach you chapter number 1, part 3. Now next topic, Mark 1. Okay, listen. First one, in the year 1944, the American mathematician Howard Aiken invented Mark 1. Okay, next, Howard Aiken did this invention while working in the IBM. Next one, Mark 1 was the first computer that could store data as well as programs. This computer was around 15-meter long and wire of approximately 800 kilometer was used. Okay, see, American mathematician Howard Aiken, who was invented Mark 1. Okay, now little description about Mark 1. Mark 1 computer was electronic machine. The Howard Mark 1 was an electromechanical computer developed by Howard Aiken at Howard University and built by IBM in 1944. The computer was 55 feet long, 8 feet high and weighed 5 tons. It provided vital calculation for the US Navy during World War II and was the first of a series of computers designed by Aiken. Okay, now next topic, ENIAC. Okay, in 1946, J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly, two American engineers, invented ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. ENIAC was the first electronic device of its kind. It could only do calculations. Vacuum tubes were used to build it. Next, ENIAC was so large that it would occupy a big room. Okay, now next, it had around 18,000 vacuum tubes, 10,000 capacitor and 60,000 switches. Okay, it occupied an area of around 1500 square feet. It weighed around 20 ton and consumed 150 kilowatt of electricity. Next, in 1 second it could perform 5000 addition or 500 multiplication or 50 division. It is included in the first generation computer. Okay, listen, see, J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly, who invented ENIAC, okay, in 1946. Okay, now next, okay, listen, next topic, UNIVAC 1. In 1951, J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly, two American engineers, invented UNIVAC 1. UNIVAC 1 was developed as a result of many modifications and changes done in ENIAC. It was the first computer that was used in the business operations. Both numeric and textual data could be processed by it. It was huge in size and consumed a large amount of electricity. It also processed a large amount of heat while in use. UNIVAC 1 include the first generation computer. Hello, listen. Two American engineers, J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly, okay, who invented UNIVAC 1 in 1951. Okay, now a little description about UNIVAC 1. UNIVAC 1 was the first general purpose electronic digital computer designed for business general application. Produced in the United States, it was designed principally by J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly, the inventor of ENIAC. Now, next. Next topic, desktop computer. Okay, you all know and you all familiar with desktop computer. Okay, now first, computers that can be used by placing them on a desk or a table are called desktop computers. In the year 1975, the IBM company designed the first desktop computer. Initially, desktop computer was named as IBM 5100. Cathode ray tube was used in it. Okay, the programming language BASIC was used in it. Then in the year 1976, the Apple company developed its desktop computer that was named as Apple I. Okay, now next topic, desktop computer is also known as personal computer. Okay, full form of PC is personal computer. Next one, it is the most popular type of computer. It consists of keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse. It is widely used at home, schools, colleges, offices, shops, etc. Okay, desktop computers are very fast, cheap and small in size. They are included in the 4th generation computer. Listen, this is desktop computer, it means personal PC. Okay, now little description about desktop computer. Desktop computer is a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location, on or near a desk or table, due to its size and power requirement. Okay, now next topic, laptop computer. In the year 1981, the Epson company designed the laptop computer for the first time, which was named as Epson HX20. It was the first laptop that had advanced features. It had a keyboard having 68 keys, a rechargeable battery and a screen on which 4 lines could be typed. It weighed 1.6 kg and had 16 MB RAM. Basic language was also available in it. Keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse and speaker were made available in one single unit. Laptops are small in size and light in weight, and so very convenient to carry from one place to another. They have become very popular as they run on battery and can easily be carried from one place to another place. See, this is laptop computer. Okay, now short description about laptop computer. A laptop computer is a portable personal computer powered by a battery or an AC cord plug into an electrical outlet, which is also used to charge the battery. Laptops have an attached keyboard and a touchpad, trackball or isometric joystick used for navigation. Okay, now next, palm top computer. In the year 1992, the Apple company used the term palm top for the very first time. Okay, computer that fits in the palm of our hands is called palm top computer. It is a handheld computer. It is also called as PDA, means personal digital assistants. They are small in size and can easily be carried from one place to another. Okay, see, this is palm top computer. Now short description. A palm top computer is an electronic device that fits in the palm of your hand. A good example of an early palm top computer is the Palm Pilot, as shown in the picture. Because of their size, early palm top computers did not have a keyboard or a mouse and often relied on a pen that used graffiti or something similar. Okay, now next one, wearable computer. Computers which are used on wearing them on any of our body part are called as wearable computers. They are also known as body worn computer. They are light in weight and small in size. They are used on wearing them on any of our body part. Google Glasses, which were introduced in the year 2013, are a type of wearable computers. A watch designed by Apple company, which was introduced in the year 2015, is also an example of wearable computers. These computers are introduced in the 5th generation computers. Okay, now short description about wearable computer. A wearable computer is any small technological device capable of storing and processing data that can be worn on the body. Okay, wearable computers are designed for accessibility and convenience as well as improvements to workplace by making information quickly and readily available to the wearer. Okay, now student, our first chapter is over here, and next topic, it means first chapter assessment. Okay, will be continue in part 4. Okay, thank you.